Igbo bụ Igbo, ekele m unu. Unu makwa na Igbos are excelling in the USA, Europe, Canada, Asia because jobs over there are given by merit. Jobs abroad are given by merit. They are not handed out based on tribe, nepotism, or connection. Jobs abroad are not given based on you know person or who your papa be. No. Yes, that is why their countries are functioning. It is not a surprise that Igbos are top doctors, engineers, lawyers, scientists, nurses, tech gurus abroad because Igbos are one of the best brains in the world. Foreign countries are thriving, are doing well because they employ the best brains in the world. A functional country employs the best brains because that is how a country works. For instance, the late Dora Akunyili, her daughter Ijeoma Akunyili, was appointed chief medical doctor of Jersey City Medical Center in the USA. And she's the first black person to lead the hospital since 1882. The first black person. Igbo excellence. This Igbo woman, Amanda Zubike from Imo State, was appointed Brigadier General in the USA, and she's the first Nigerian woman to achieve that. Can you see? Meet Commodore Kelechi Ndukwe, an Igbo man who is making history in the US Navy. This is what I'm talking about. Meet Margaret Obi, an Igbo woman. She's the first black High Court judge in England and Wales. The first black High Court judge. Igbo excellence. Igbos are excelling abroad than in Nigeria. Why? Because there's no tribalism and nepotism abroad. Jobs are given by merit. If you merit it, you get it.